guys, my name is Adoni James. This is POP installation. This is the best way to do login for POP. As you can see, this is 2x2 login, and the best wood for POP login is 2x3. 2x3 is very good for login. 2x2 nowadays is very light. And you know, POP is wet. It's not dry. It will take after some weeks before it's dry, as you can see. So it might draw it down. Right now, this is 2x3. This is the best wood for logging. We advise you whenever you want to do your POP ceiling, to use 2x3 logging, 2x3 wood, for your POP ceiling. As you can see, this is the best way to do logging for POP. As you can see, the installation is in progress. Installation is in progress. When we are done, we give you updates on this simple design. Give you updates on this simple design. You can as well call us on 080-6309-8718 for your POP ceiling design, for your artwork design, for your floor tiles, 3D wall panel, wallpaper, aluminum ceiling, aluminum window. We give you the best products and best installation. Thanks for watching. Please share to your friends, and don't forget to turn down the notification button so that we can be updates when we upload the next video. Thank you for watching.